Mansoor, and congratulate to you for this wonderful event. And as I know, as we know, this is the not first time freedom struggle. As we have been this part on multiple occasions throughout our history. So what makes this occasion special? Well, to me, the difference this unification of the Baloch nation. This unification is result of one man. The one man named Nawab Akbar Khan Bugti dream. His dream is independent Balochistan. This dream is one that is shared among all Baloch in every corner in Balochistan. Thoreau is not with us today, but is a spirit, is a courage, is a love surrounding us, inspiring us to continue his legacy. Nawab Akbar Khan Bugti made sacrifice, but in this was not sacrifice, but is a duty. He filled his motherland, Balochistan. We must all learn and becoming inspired for what he did and for what he stood for. Words are not enough. A nation will do. As a nation, we lost a father, but we also have a fortunate and lucky to have our beloved Nawab Ramdan Bugti. To continue this grandfather legacy is a legacy to all of us, for all Baloch nation, is the independent Balochistan. Zindabad Baloch Raj, South Balochistan.